Welcome to my channel. How to set up Omada 2.4 GHz 300 megabits per second indoor-outdoor wireless bridge. 1. Unbox and power up. Take out both Omada bridge units. Plug each one into power using the included PO adapter. Don't mount them yet, just keep them on a table for now so it's easy to see the lights. 2. Connect to your computer. Grab an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the LAN port of the PO injector and the other into a laptop or PC. This gives direct access to the bridge's setup page. 3. Find the default IP address. Most Omada devices use 192.168.0.254 as the default. Open a browser and type that into the address bar. If it doesn't load, make sure your computer's IP is set to the same subnet. 4. Log in to the admin page. Once it loads, the login screen appears. The default username and password are both admin. Enter them and sign in. It'll probably ask to set a new password, do that right away. 5. Switch to access point and client mode. You've got two units. One needs to act as access point and the other as client. Set one to AP mode, this one connects to the main router. Set the other to CPE, this one connects to remote device. 6. Configure the access point. On the AP unit, go to the wireless settings. Change the SSID, choose WPA2PSK security and make a strong password. Then, save and apply changes. 7. Configure the client unit. Now, you need to log into the second unit which is set to client mode. Scan for the SSID you created on the AP unit. Select it and enter the same Wi-Fi password. Save and let it reboot. 8. Align both devices. Mount both units in a clear line of sight. No walls or trees between them if possible. Keep the antennas facing each other directly. Even a small angle can cut the signal strength a lot. 9. Check the connection status. Go back to the admin page on either device. Look at the signal bars. If it's weak, adjust the angle or position slightly until it improves. Solid connection usually shows strong green LEDs. 10. Test the network. Once both units are linked, connect a device to the client-side Ethernet port. Run a speed test or load a few pages. If it's stable, the bridge is good to go. That's the full Omada 2.4 GHz bridge setup. The key is line of sight and matching settings on both sides. Once it's locked in, it runs steady for months without needing a touch. Thanks for watching.